How's it going, YouTube? I'm going to do this video real quick on how to tune your car, or tune, a R56 anyway. I'm going to do a remote tune from a company called RPM Powered. It's a guy named Mario Palza, goes by Mario Kart. What you got to do is you got to buy one of these, and you get it from Mario. I'll put his Instagram in the description so you can get a hold of him. But what's in the box is, I'm filming with my cell phone, so it's kind of hard. But it's one of these things. I'm going to plug this in to my to my OBD2 port. I'm going to get my stock tune off of my ECU. I'm going to email that to him through a program that's on my computer now that comes with this, and he's gonna tune my car for me, and then he's going to email me the tune back, and I'm gonna install it with this. That way I don't have to take the ECU out of my car, and if something happens and I need to reflash my car, I have the tune. I don't have to pay somebody else to do it. I'll already have it. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug this cord into my ECU, or into my OBD2 port. I'm gonna plug it into this power gate, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so the other end of the cord, it looks like this, and this is what's going to plug into the actual power gate. It's going to plug in. It's going to plug in right there on this spot right here. And then when I go to put it on my computer, that's what this is for. That's how I'm going to upload my tune onto the computer so that I can email it to Mario. So once it's plugged in, it'll start doing this. Okay, and it's got 4 options. One is tuning, one is setup, one is diagnostics, and one is information. So I'm going to click on tuning. And it's for a Mini. It's going to be kind of hard to do one-handed here. I believe I press this. Alright, I'm going to need 2 hands to do this, so I'm going to try to press that button right there, but I'll be right back after I press it. Okay, so once you press that, let me put the phone right. Once you press that button, you'll get this. So my car is a Mini Cooper S, so I'm going to scroll until I find it. Oops, not there. Go down. It's a Cooper S, so I'm gonna select Cooper S, and then I'm gonna go forward again. See if I can press it right there. Okay, now it's I gotta read this. It's a 1.6 turbo, or 1.6 172. Now I gotta find out. Oh, it's the automatic transmission. So I'm gonna hit it's the first one. It's the turbo GAT. If yours was a manual, you would hit the second one. So then I'm gonna go ahead and press that arrow pointing to the left or to the right, and it needs key on and confirm. All right, I gotta put my key in the ignition, and then press the start button, but not actually turn my car on. Okay, so now I'm gonna hit, now the key's on, I'm gonna hit this OK in the middle. Now I have to, it says please wait. Can't really read it on my phone, but it's saying communicating with ECU, please wait. Now it says stock file missing, start read file ECU, and that's what I want to do, so hit yes. Now it says communicating with ECU, please wait. I'm going to go ahead and wait. It's going pretty fast. For some reason it just opened my tailgate really loudly. It's gonna take a minute. Okay, I'm not gonna make you guys wait, so I'm gonna go ahead and pause this. Okay, so it's just about to finish. Now it's going to saving the data. It says please wait. It's going a little faster. Now it's reading completed. Switch ignition off and disconnect RPM power. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay, with that, see, I've had to put my seatbelt on because Mario told me that it might act funny if I didn't have my seatbelt on, so I went ahead and put it on. It didn't seem to make any difference in my case. But anyway, so now that I have it uploaded onto here, now I have to load it onto my computer, or download it on here. Now I have to upload it onto my computer, and then I can email it to Mario. So let me go get my computer, and I'll go from there. Okay, so I gotta plug this USB port, or plug this into my USB port on my computer, and then I gotta press that thing that says PWG user, and that's the app that I'm gonna use. So let me plug this in. You plug it in. Oops. When you plug it in, it looks like that. And then I'm gonna scroll over. Click on that. My computer is really slow. I don't use a computer very often, and so it's old. So it's gonna take a while. Don't be scared, it's not a real snake. It's used to be my pet carpet python. Hopefully this thing loads quickly. Okay, when it opens, it's gonna start looking for stuff like this. So you just gotta wait. Now it says the device is unable because it's not initialized. Alright, we're gonna hit OK and see what happens. That's because it was turning on the RPM power, I think. So I'm going to try opening this again. This time it should. Now it says error generated by application. Alright, let's see what happens this time. Alright. So I think it's loaded, so we're going to go to download data. And press start. It says press start to download the tuning file from the device. Save it. So we're going to save the file. My name is Eric, so we're going to put it as Eric's stock tune. I'm going to go ahead and save it. Alright, now I think that is it, and then what I got to do now is email the file to Mario, and if you do this tune through Mario, he'll send you his email address. I don't want to tell you what it is because he might change it, and I don't want you to send it to the wrong place. So once I get that email back, then I will show you how to upload it onto my car. Okay, so I got the email from Mario Palza. I'm about to upload the video, or I'm about to upload the tune onto this power gate. Let me see. I've never done this before, so I'm figuring it out as I go. Going to hit upload data, and it's going to select the file. So I'm going to hit where it says select the tuning file to upload to the device. So I'm going to hit browse so I can find it. So when you find the file wherever you saved it to on your computer, you're going to double click on it and it's going to say confirm the upload, which you're going to do. So click yes. And that's putting it onto the power gate. So the data has been written. And hit OK. Okay, so now I should have the program on my power gate on this device. So I'll be able to go upload it onto my car now. So I'll be out in the car right now. Okay, so we're in the car. So I gotta plug this that comes with the kit into the OBD2 port. I can't get it on camera because I don't have enough room in my car, but that's plugged into the OB2 port. And the other end of it looks like this. And that plugs in right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So it's gonna, guess it's gonna take a minute. All right, so now we're gonna go to tuning. And it says continue with writing of the file. We're gonna hit yes. So EE custom, that's me. So I'm gonna go ahead and press it. And then we're gonna go hit this next button. It says to put the key on and confirm. So what I'm gonna do is put my key in the ignition. Oops, I dropped that. And then I'm gonna press the start button, but I'm not gonna have my foot on the brake or the clutch if you have manual. So that's confirmed. So now I hit OK. I have no idea how long it's going to take, so I'm going to leave the video rolling. I'm using a cell phone, that's why it's so shaky. I can't, not holding it very still. Switch off ignition and disconnect RPM power. So I'm going to turn off ignition, pull the key out, and I'm going to pull the thing out of the Alright, so now I should be tuned. Find out. Alright, so now it's time to go test drive it. I can't leave my camera running while I do that because I'm using my cell phone. I gotta use both hands to drive. I'll let you guys know in a later video how it goes. But it should be good. So like and subscribe if you like these videos, and I'll see you on the next one.